people associate with other top people. What you've heard about the law of attraction. And the law of attraction says that if you change the way you think, you start to attract new people into your life. If you become aggressive about personal development and personal growth, you start to meet other people who think the same way. So people say, well, where do I find positive people who are thinking about success all the time? First, you become one, and then you will naturally attract it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will make again the implementation of candlestick price action technical analysis. And this video will contain 3 trades in around 20 minutes. Let's see what I can find, the probability. I'm also explaining while the candlestick is running. So let's go. First, analyze the market. The market is in ranging. If I see from the EMAs, you see 100 is touch, and in ranging the rules was like reversal at one second deviation, reversal at 1 deviation, like this one. When you see something that is fail, like this one, is very critical. Hammer bearish is fail in this kind of trend, resulting Marubozu make a doji. So it could be only a retracement or not. Now it's based on 20 EMA. When 20 EMA is broken, then it most probably will reaching the 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band. But of course we are in the middle now of the Bollinger Band, the price, so most probably we will have a retracement candlestick. But let's see. So 20 EMA is not okay. I will do a call option. This is the breakout of 20 EMA in ranging market, so the expectation price will touch 50 EMA and not doing any fake breakout, because 20 EMA should doing a fake breakout after a doji because the rejection, but it's not, it's breaking back again up. So I will do following the minor trend in the ranging market in the middle Bollinger Band after the fake breakout was failed. Okay, so it's a continuation. But let's see, that just my analysis, so I'm not see the candle movement. Mostly the candle movement is always tricking us, so it's fooling us. So the candle movement is only for safe entry point only if you have that kind of purposes. So first trade was going very nice, very well, nice understanding. And then the next trade, okay, we can rest a little bit. So don't just doing a rush trade, like entering, okay, without thinking. So now we have to think again, what is the possibility, what is the pressure. So now of course I have a pressure of buying pressure, but in this kind of situation it could be the consolidation take place. Okay, it's strong ranging market, reversal, hit 1 deviation, reversal, hit 1 deviation, or hit 2 deviation. Let's see, it's possibly going down there because the major. So now 1 deviation is not break. Okay, that means what? The possibility of consolidation there is high because we have a major uptrend. So I will not expecting any bearish engulfing or something like that, because it can be so tricky here. So Okay, this is not so nice situation. If this was a bearish hanging man, then now it's a doji in 2 candlesticks, so it's 50-50. I will not take any trade here because it's 50-50. I have a probability 50% up, 50% down also, so I need to find something that is become a trigger why it's happening. Okay, if 50 EMA is not broken in here, then most probably I will wait for the fake breakout in the 50 EMA to going up. But you see, we are in between of the EMA. It can be back to the 20 EMA, you see. Now we have a kind of bearish hammer there. I will find a good spot. I'm not entering in every candle. Okay, big candlestick. How we can use this big candlestick? It's okay. I will wait. There's the rejection. Okay, big candle, bullish upper and lower shadow have a weak. This cannot break. Okay, it's a break, or maybe fake break. I don't know. It's a break a 100, so don't enter the sell option. But we have to wait after the fake breakout is happening because the minor trend is still up. And looks like we are in the strong area above 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band. Consolidation could happen here, but I'm not expecting to do a put option, so I will wait. But to do a call option is also not in my case right now because the previous candle breakout is too weak upper and lower shadow. How can 100 EMA is broken by that kind of candlestick? It's very okay. It will a call option, so I will do a call option. My entry a little bit not so nice, but I'm expect that the bullish candle big here because we have before the the chance of doing fake breakout, but it's not. So I will expect a bullish candle here that broke that big. If it's not, then yeah, Yes, that was it. Okay, it's good reading of the market. You should be able to do this kind of analysis. Okay, so my suggestion is prepare the basic. You can read my ebook below, and then you need the advanced, and then you just experiencing with yourself and find some method that you clear understand. Okay, because every person has their own special character, so also the special strategy need to fit by your own characteristic. Okay, I just need one more. So the minor still up. There is no sign of a bearish can take place in this kind of ranging market, but now you see two deviation is touch and also near the 200 now. Who knows the 200 will be broken or not? No one can, but now it's a very specific spot for consolidation. I thought if the 200 was still holding the price, so the consolidation will be between the 200 and 100 EMA possibility, or above 100 EMA it will be one deviation here. So now we have to prepare for the consolidation. The high probability 60% will be consolidate, and also there is possibility of a fake breakout. So the strong downtrend with 40% plus probability. So you see now green red or doji is very dangerous, so I will not take any trade in here because I cannot see the clear pressure. Here I see the clear pressure, ranging market, weak candlestick. Why it's still bullish? Okay, major a little bit down, but why is bullish? There is a question. So it will be go up. Okay, now we have you see consolidation. Do you think this will be a breakout? Might be, but okay, it's breakout. Okay, it's nice breakout. So in the long term, like 12 minutes, it will be still going up, so there is no reversal here. That is my analysis from the higher time frame, and now it's very big, and this kind of big candle you should not do a call option. Okay, but mostly after the breakout of 200 the candlestick is still strong, so it will be weekly candle most probably. But if it has the upper wick like this, I don't want to do a call option here because I don't know, but mostly it has to be a call option after the 200 is broken. This is inverted bullish hammer. Okay, so it's a clear buying pressure, but again you need a good entry point in this kind of situation because market can change direction at any point. Okay, mostly this kind of candle in the half of its wick, it has a resistance. So if the half was not broke, or this candle is weak, look like weakness, but the problem, it may reverse, but the problem is the major was still in uptrend. Okay, I should be able to read this pressure to go call option here, because it's very clear that a consolidation that I'm expecting is not happen there. It's a break jump, so it's very nice for the next candlestick here. But for here, you see the half is not broken. It's broken, but the candlestick itself, it's weak in one candle, so it may have kind of uh, retracement like this, and most probably that the consolidation will happen right now between 200 and some kind of level resistance here. So you see here it's starting like making a doji, like a bullish bearish engulfing, but at the end it's just want to consolidate mostly. So very careful in this area because it's not clear. It's just up and down, and every reversal pattern that you think it may be a selling pressure or a buying pressure, it will have a 50% chance to not work. Okay, like inverted bullish hammer, you see, but it's critical. Okay, this is a not strong support, but for consolidation maybe one division can handle it. You see that this is a small in 3 candlesticks, small reach or attempting the 200 EMA, and after that is inverted bullish hammer, really strong. But the first moment is like this and rejecting, you see, it's even the rejection is bearish, so I don't think that it will be able to go up. Maybe a doji or something, but if this was really still strong, this candle, this running candle should be a bearish one, a bullish one, because what inverted bullish hammer should do in an uptrend was a bullish candlestick. So now is a doji here in 2. This is was inverted bullish hammer, so this is should be a bullish candlestick because 20 EMA has to supporting it. But if this was a doji, then you might be worried about the pressure of 20 EMA. And now it's a bullish, but a bullish with kind of 3 candlestick making like, you know, like high wave something, bullish body with the upper and lower shadow. And now we probably facing something like consolidation, but let's see. I will not take any trade. I have to understand first, this is a weak candle, this is should be a big candle if 20 EMA really supporting the uptrend in the strong area of 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band. And now we have 4 candle bearish hammer. Okay, this could be a fake breakout of the half of the hammer in 4 candlestick. The 200 was flat, it will be most probably attracting the price back down, and 1 deviation has to be broken first. So after this candle I thought that was kind of retracement. If 4 candle bearish, okay, it's just broken, so this is real broken what? 1 deviation, because this is flat. So now we have to wait for some kind of retracement possibility. We don't just doing any sell option here. It could be sell option also, but it's 50-50 mostly. You see, 1 deviation is taking place again. Now I am expecting a doji here that can happen. Because really this is just 2 candle bullish, 2 candle bearish with wicks. How can we just going down without understanding what's happening? Okay, 1 deviation is clearly broken right now. So that means I have to wait at 1 deviation because this could be a consolidation area, and the price has to be again touch that to going down. You see consolidation problem here with retracement candlestick. That's often happen. So 200 is retest twice. You see here, touching, and if this was fail, what is mean here? Okay, this is not very nice for me. But in my expectation, this candlestick running now should be a bearish. But it can get one more bullish candlestick. Okay. If this was bullish, then I will have a high probability that the next candle will be bearish. But the problem here was the end of the doji. Okay, I will not take any trade first. I will wait for some confirmation. That this might be a bearish hammer or hanging man. So I will glad to do a sell in the next candlestick. Why a hanging man happen? Okay, because the hanging man is basically the candlestick that interacting with the support level that still have a power to make the candle close bearish, but okay, that was expectation. Now is definitely for me a put option. Yes, put option. I will not do a call option here, a put option, as my expectation happened, because 200 was flat and the context is on consolidation. Okay, let's see. This is my last trade, guys. I hope this is 20 minutes, and I'm expect this will be working, so you get the very deep knowledge of what I'm doing. At the moment I'm not making the indicator, but in the future maybe I will provide it with this kind of technical analysis. Yes, it's working. It's working, and be careful with this one. I don't know, but high probability it will be go down, but in this kind of hanging man I not really know, but if you follow this kind of situation it should be go down. Then if not, then something else is happening and you have to rethink again what you are doing. So that was my trade, and if you wonder with this kind of skill of trading, you can learn first the basic. Okay, there is my ebook link below, you can find it. Okay, you can also get a job by providing to other people that maybe wants to learn about price action, so you can get the fee from the selling. You can get a job also. You see, it's not getting hanging man like we expect, so you have to understand what happening here. Okay, what happening, that is critical area there, so don't do trade in critical area. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoy my video.